Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 cleaner vacuums for 2024, perfect for pet owners and anyone looking for powerful cleaning solutions. Let's explore these lightweight, efficient models from Bissell and Eureka.
Number 1.
Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Vacuum, 1, Blue. Product details. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Vacuum is a high-quality vacuum cleaner specifically designed for cleaning pet hair and dander. Its solid blue color adds an attractive look, and its swivel design makes maneuvering through your home effortless. Design. The vacuum features a modern and appealing design, complemented by its swivel technology that allows for easy navigation around furniture and into tight spaces. Weighing relatively light, it offers convenience during extended cleaning sessions. Benefits and features. Swivel technology provides enhanced maneuverability, allowing you to effortlessly clean corners and hard-to-reach areas. Triple action brush roll effectively lifts and removes embedded pet hair and dirt. Advanced filtration system captures allergens and dust particles, ensuring cleaner air quality. Customer reviews. Customers have praised the Bissell CleanView for its effectiveness in removing pet hair, particularly on carpets and upholstery. Many have highlighted the convenience of the swivel feature, which simplifies cleaning tasks around furniture.
Number 2.
Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner for Carpet and Hard Floor, PowerSpeed, new model, blue, black. Product details. The Eureka PowerSpeed is a new model upright vacuum cleaner that combines powerful suction with versatility for both carpet and hard floor cleaning. Its sleek blue and black design makes it a stylish addition to any cleaning arsenal. Design. With a contemporary and lightweight design, the PowerSpeed is easy to handle and operate. Its streamlined appearance is not only attractive but functional, allowing for smooth movements across various surfaces. Benefits and features. Multi-surface cleaning, designed to handle both carpets and hard floors effectively. Lightweight construction makes it easy to transport around the house. Multiple cleaning modes allows for customized cleaning based on the surface type. Customer reviews. Users have expressed satisfaction with the Eureka PowerSpeed, citing its strong suction power and adaptability across different flooring types. Many appreciate its lightweight design, making it convenient for daily cleaning tasks.
Number 3.
Eureka Home Lightweight Stick Vacuum Cleaner Powerful Suction Corded Handheld Vac for Multi-Surfaces, 3-in-1 NES100 Aqua Blue. Product details. The Eureka NES100 is a versatile and lightweight stick vacuum cleaner that delivers powerful suction, making it ideal for multiple surfaces. Its 3-in-1 design adds to its functionality, allowing it to be used as a stick, handheld, or even a floor vacuum. Design. Sporting an eye-catching aqua blue color, the Eureka NES100 features a sleek and practical design that is easy to handle and store. Its lightweight nature ensures it can be used comfortably for extended cleaning sessions. Benefits and features. 3-in-1 design functions as a stick vacuum, handheld vacuum, and floor vacuum, providing flexibility in cleaning. Powerful suction efficiently removes dirt and debris from various surfaces. User-friendly operation, designed for straightforward handling and maneuverability. Customer reviews. Users have lauded the Eureka NES100 for its multi-surface capabilities and strong suction power. Many appreciate its lightweight design, which makes it a favorite for quick cleanups around the home.
Number 4.
Bissell Featherweight Stick Lightweight Bagless Vacuum with Crevice Tool, 2033, One Size Fits All, Blue. Product details. The Bissell Featherweight Stick Vacuum is a lightweight, bagless vacuum cleaner that comes equipped with a crevice tool for cleaning tight spaces. Its compact design makes it a convenient choice for quick cleanups. Design. The vacuum features a streamlined design in a vibrant blue color, which is not only attractive but also highly functional. Its lightweight construction allows for easy transportation and storage. Benefits and features. Lightweight and portable, designed for easy handling and portability, making it suitable for quick cleanups. Crevice tool, perfect for reaching into corners and crevices for thorough cleaning. Bagless design simplifies maintenance and makes it easy to empty and clean. Customer reviews. Many users appreciate the Bissell Featherweight for its convenience and efficiency. They often highlight its lightweight design, which allows for easy maneuvering around the house, especially in tight spots.
Number 5.
Eureka NES100 PowerSpeed Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner, Light Blue. Product details. The Eureka NES100 PowerSpeed is a bagless upright vacuum cleaner that offers powerful cleaning capabilities. Its lightweight and stylish blue design makes it a practical choice for any home. Design. Featuring a user-friendly design, the NES100 is easy to operate and move around. Its lightweight construction allows for effortless handling while cleaning. Benefits and features. Bagless technology eliminates the need for vacuum bags, making it easy to empty and maintain. Strong suction power effectively removes dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Versatile cleaning options, suitable for various surfaces and cleaning tasks. Customer reviews. Customers have expressed satisfaction with the Eureka NES100, citing its strong suction and versatility across different floor types. They appreciate its bagless design, which simplifies upkeep and makes cleaning more efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best home products. Stay tuned for more tips and recommendations. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.